Okay, so for the page setup, what you need to do is, as soon as you open the new layout, this grid is not required, you need to delete it. So you just left click on this grid, left click once on this grid and just delete it. Okay, don't left click inside the grid. You have to left click on the borders of the grid. If you see here, border is highlighted, left click and then delete. Okay, next go to that respective layout. Right now I'm editing layout 9, so right click on layout 9, go to page setup manager. Okay, make sure here layout 9 is selected or highlighted, layout 9, then click on modify. Then here the printer or plotter name should be none. Make sure the printer or plotter name should be none here. Then go to paper size. The paper size here should be ISO A4 297 into 210. The one which is highlighting in blue color now, this should be the paper size. ISO A4 297 into 210. Just click on this. So this should be the paper size. Plot area should be layout and plot scale. Please make a note of this. Scale should be always 1:1. Sometimes in the exam what happens, you draw 30 line but you will get a very big line or very small line. That is because the scale won't be equal to 1:1. So make sure the scale is 1:1. That's all. Then give OK, close. So the page setup is ready now. Now one more thing what I have seen with students is, for example, when you are, let us say you have drawn a line and you are trying to draw a line somewhere over from here, like this center. As I'm getting here exactly at the center, at few points it will select only the end points. Even if you try to draw from center, still the line would be coming from the end point only. That is because of OSNAP settings. I'll show you what happens in your exams, what will happen. So what will happen is when you try to draw this line, you can see it is not showing me any line over here, any point or any relation it is not showing. So if that is happening, what you do is just type OS, just type OS, press enter, then just go here under object snap and click on select all. Just type OS, press enter and click on select all and just say OK. Okay, now if you take the line command, you can easily draw line from any entities you require. That is the second point. And the last point is the dimension setup. Just type D, just type D, press enter, make sure ISO 25 is selected, click on modify, just click on modify and go to symbols and arrows tab. Here make sure arrow size is 3.5. This arrow size should be 3.5. Go to text, make sure text height is 3.5. Then go to primary units, make sure the precision, it can be 0 or single decimal or double decimal, preferably always keep it 0. Then decimal separator here, by default it will be comma, change it to period. Okay, that's all. Okay, close. So if you do this much setting, then you won't face any problem during your exams, and that is the only page setups you have to do. Everything will be clear. Now one more thing what you come across is, when I take line command, for few of you it will not showing the relation like this, like I'm getting the green box on the screen, right, showing endpoint. So this box won't be visible because in the below part here, what you are seeing right here, this snap cursor would be switched off. This object snap would be switched off. If this object snap is switched off, then you can see that it will not show me like this relation from where I have to start. That green box is not coming. So make sure that here below this object snap is switched on so that you can get that relationship entities, right? So that's all is the initial settings, or you need to take care of the things. From there you can easily understand it.